ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
All right, joining me now, ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather, Moses Small joining me now to talk more about that rain that is on the way.
Yes, so we do have another storm on the way. More details on that in just a minute, but that storm forecast includes a bit of a pleasant surprise. But before we get there, of course, starting off with the present, we've had another just beautiful day that's continuing right now, where temperatures have been above average across the county all weekend, leaving San Diego right now at 67 degrees, about the same as La Jolla. Still seeing some 70s in some spots. National City 72, Chula Vista 71 degrees, and in spots like Poway, Escondido, El Cajon, not far from that 70-degree mark as well. So it's going to be a relatively warm night, perfect for spending a little time outdoors if you plan to do that, because it's going to take a long time for San Diego to even get down into the 50s, much less to our overnight lows near that 50-degree mark. For inland neighborhoods, going to see a similar trend. They will have a relatively quick cool down, but it's coming much later into the early morning hours, and then we are expecting another beautiful day for tomorrow. That's when San Diego is going to see a lot of sun once again. High of 71 degrees. Inland neighborhoods high of 75 with a little breeze mixed in. Mountains not nearly as windy, reaching up to 61 degrees. Deserts hitting a high of 77. But of course, the next big change is going to be the rainfall. So if you take a peek at that 7-day chance of rain, those showers are expected to reach us on Thursday. It's all because of this big storm system that's going to approach us from the coast. It's going to develop, slam into us on Thursday, and bring periods of heavy rainfall that could last for several days in a row. That's going to be a huge part of our 7-day forecast. But the big question, how much rain are we going to get? Is this storm going to be as destructive as the last one? The answer is almost certainly not. If you take a peek at the probability for each amount of rainfall that we can expect along the coast and inland, it's most likely that yes, we could see 1.5 inches of rain or more, but notice we're very unlikely to see more than 1.5 inches of rain. And when you get down to the question of will we see 2 inches, will we see 3 inches, it is extremely, extremely unlikely. And what's even more unlikely, which caused a lot of flooding in the last storm, is that rain coming down in the course of hours. This one expected to be more like days. And so if you take a peek at San Diego's 7-day forecast, you'll notice, same as inland, we're going to have a pretty big cool down as well. Those inland neighborhoods will be hanging out in the 70s over the next couple of days. Their highs crash down into the 50s by the time we get to Friday. Overnight lows going to be real chilly, dropping right near that 40-degree mark. Into the mountains are going to see the same thing. Cool weather, combine that with some precipitation. We're expecting a bit of snow. Snow level on Friday dropping to 4,500 feet. And finally into the desert. Yes, they're going to see 70s. They're going to eventually crash down into the 60s. But the good thing is that it's not likely that the next storm is going to bring nearly the same amount of flooding that we saw this past week. Yeah?